In a forgotten industrial graveyard, buried beneath years of dust, rust, and silence, lies a giant that once ruled the mining world, the CAT TITAN X16. Its massive frame, now corroded and worn, tells the story of decades of relentless labor, extreme conditions, and eventual abandonment. The paint has faded, metal has cracked, and every component shows signs of heavy decay. But beneath this damage still lives the soul of one of the most powerful machines ever built. As the camera moves closer, every detail reveals the true condition of this mechanical beast. Rust eating through steel, broken panels hanging loose, and an engine that hasn't roared in years. This is not just a truck. This is a challenge. A full-scale restoration begins here, where destruction meets determination. Piece by piece, this legendary machine will be brought back to life, not just repaired, but reborn to its original factory perfection. The restoration begins with a complete teardown, where every damaged part must be removed to expose the true condition beneath the surface. Skilled hands carefully dismantle the CAT TITAN X16, unbolting massive components that have been locked in place for years. Layers of rust resist every movement. Bolts struggle to turn, and metal parts creak as they are separated for the first time in decades. One by one, the giant pieces are lifted away, revealing a skeleton of worn steel and aging structure. The engine, once the heart of this machine, sits silent and broken, ready to be removed and rebuilt from the ground up. Every step is precise, every movement controlled, because this is not just disassembly, it is the beginning of transformation. As the truck is stripped down to its core, the vision becomes clear. Nothing will be left untouched. This machine will not just be repaired, it will be completely reborn, stronger, cleaner, and closer to factory perfection than ever before. With the truck fully dismantled, the real restoration work begins at the core level. Every component is inspected with precision, separating what can be saved from what must be rebuilt. Thick layers of rust are stripped away, revealing raw metal beneath years of damage and neglect. Corroded sections are cut out and replaced, while worn surfaces are carefully ground, cleaned, and prepared for renewal. The chassis, once weakened and aged, is reinforced and restored to its original strength. Sparks fly as repairs take shape, and each section begins to regain its structural integrity. This is where craftsmanship meets engineering, where patience and precision rebuild what time has destroyed. Slowly, the CAT TITAN X16 starts to regain its foundation, not just repaired, but strengthened to handle the power it was designed for. As the structure is restored, attention shifts to the heart of the machine, the engine. Every component is carefully disassembled, cleaned, and rebuilt with precision. Worn-out parts are replaced, internal systems are restored, and each piece is brought back to exact factory standards. Pistons, valves, and heavy-duty components are reassembled with care, ensuring perfect alignment and performance. Nearby, other mechanical systems undergo the same transformation, from suspension parts to drivetrain elements, all renewed to handle extreme workloads. This stage demands accuracy because even the smallest detail can define the machine's power and reliability. Slowly, the engine begins to take shape again, not as a worn-out unit, but as a fully restored powerhouse. The CAT TITAN X16 is no longer just being repaired. It is being rebuilt to perform like new once again. With the paint cured and components protected, reassembly begins. The restored chassis becomes the foundation as major mechanical parts are carefully brought back into place. Suspension systems are installed, heavy-duty axles are aligned, and new components are secured with precision. Massive tires are mounted, giving the CAT TITAN X16 its powerful stance once again. Every bolt is tightened, every connection checked, ensuring perfect alignment across the structure. The machine slowly regains its full form as piece by piece it comes together. This stage is where everything starts to feel real again. The transition from scattered parts to a complete heavy-duty vehicle. Strength, balance, and precision define every movement as the CAT TITAN X16 rises back into its original shape, ready for the final stages of its rebirth. Now the focus shifts to the intricate systems that bring the machine to life. Electrical wiring is carefully reinstalled, connecting every sensor, control unit, and power system throughout the truck. Hydraulic lines are fitted with precision, ensuring smooth flow and reliable pressure across all moving components. Inside the cabin, controls are restored, panels are secured, and the operator environment is rebuilt for full functionality. Every switch, every connection, and every system is tested to guarantee flawless operation. This stage is where technology meets mechanics, where the CAT TITAN X16 begins to regain its intelligence and responsiveness. With each system coming online, the machine moves closer to its first moment of life, prepared to function as a fully restored heavy-duty powerhouse once again. The moment of reassembly reaches its peak as the rebuilt engine is carefully lowered back into the chassis. Guided with precision, the heart of the CAT TITAN X16 returns to its place, secured and connected piece by piece. Mounting bolts are tightened, systems are linked, and critical components are brought together with absolute accuracy. Cooling lines, fuel systems, and mechanical connections are completed, restoring the internal network that powers the machine. Fresh fluids begin to flow through the system, bringing life back into every channel and component. Electrical systems are activated, and the first signs of energy return to the truck. Lights flicker on, gauges respond, and the once silent machine begins to wake. Step by step, the CAT TITAN X16 moves closer to its first true breath after restoration. The transformation is finally complete, and the CAT TITAN X16 stands as a symbol of engineering, patience, and restoration excellence. Every surface tells a story, from the flawless yellow paint to the rebuilt mechanical systems hidden beneath the massive frame. A detailed inspection reveals the results of countless hours of skilled work, where every bolt, connection, and component has been returned to professional standards. The restored engine delivers powerful performance, the hydraulic systems respond smoothly, and the cabin provides a completely renewed operating experience. What was once an abandoned machine, covered in rust and damage, has become a powerful heavy-duty truck, ready for action again. The CAT TITAN X16 is no longer a forgotten giant. It has been transformed into a machine that represents strength, reliability, and the incredible possibilities of complete restoration. Finally, the CAT TITAN X16 completes its final industrial work simulation, showing that this legendary machine has truly returned. From abandoned steel and rust to a factory-quality powerhouse,